Hey! Hey everybody, what's going on? What is going on? Dominic, let's go. Oh my god, Dominic, I just saw you wrote quite a few messages there. Man, I have to go through all of them. Let's go. Alright. Let's see what's happening. I had a loss in the London session. It is what it is. And we just made relative equal highs up here. Bigger picture looks bullish. ES still looks bullish to me. Have some fair value gaps up there. All right, I'm gonna stay bullish with Nasdaq for now, especially after this high here. Still have to wait for this candle to close. But let's see. Hey Dominic, man. Quite a few messages I have to go through. Dude, your system. I mean, you're really into this system. Man, I have to study of these messages. All right. Let's see what's going on. On the 15-minute chart, there was a fair value gap here. Right there. That I think could be taken out. So let's see what happens. There's a fair value gap up there as well on the 5 minutes, so we'll see. Look who's talking now. Yo, Jeff, servus. Servus, üdvözöllek. Push like button. It's good, I think. Although 2 likes is taking away the like, but you know, still. Today's messages were just to show you another approach. If you take 10 accounts, and after every 1 hour loss you switch account, you speed the risk. Oh yeah, spread the risk. Yeah. Definitely, and that's why sometimes, actually many cases, I don't copy trade between my accounts. Just to spread the risk. Actually, that's a good thing. Spreading risk. Seems like gold wants to make some new highs. Maybe getting back to the 1 hour fair value gap above. A little bit risky to tell right now. But I would be still bullish on gold. At least I like to be. All right, let me know what you guys think about Nasdaq or anything in this scenario. It seems like it's going for some liquidity in this 5-minute fair value gap. Also, this grayer one is a 15-minute fair value gap, but we have another one up there on the 5-minute chart. It looks like it might want to go up there. I can't confirm it, but it seems like it might want to. I can neither confirm or deny the fact that it might want to go up there. Bum bum ba-dum bum bum. 50k Bulenox. Okay, end of day. Phase 1. I can trade without the stress. But on Apex 25k, terrible. I mean, yeah, you definitely have to go with a smaller buffer there. Understandable. Of course. but you know. I can't trade on live account. The magic is different on a live account, right? I'm also testing a forex prop firm. I'm not just I'm testing it, and it amazes me how differently I take trades on a demo account, basically. So I'm already up almost 2% on funded next on a 50k account. I chose the 50k because I got used to the 50k number on futures, but you know, it amazes me. And I chose the one-step program. Hash, I'm drunk, but I'm checking the charts. Come on, Hash, let's go. Just, you know, make sure to trade on a demo account or whatever. Just don't do funded accounts or real or your real personal account. Hash, I hope you drink some good spirit or whatever, you know, maybe a good tequila or vodka as well. Tequila, vodka, good whiskey, you know, all these stuff. These are good. I like everything. All right. Looks like gold might want to retrace lower. But NQ wants those highs, I think. When I'm drunk, I can make much more money than when I'm not drunk. Well, I guess that explains why many traders on Wall Street, well, let's just say they don't sleep. Or I guess there's really something going on at the trading floor. All right, gold is retracing. Pulling back, actually. Not retracing, pulling back. Yeah, gold is pulling back. Da-da-dum, da-da-dum. Gabor Dehan, good morning. Why? Well, you know, just what I'm saying, you know, Wolf of Wall Street. Just, you know, typical Wolf of Wall Street. I don't know why they're doing it, but yeah. Hey, J-Ho. I was busy in it. Hey, it's absolutely fine, J-Ho. I was actually just having a loss as well, so it wasn't the best session, that's for sure. I started the month with a loss. Tonight? Yeah, sure, we can you know, do something for the next London session, why not? You don't stress. You click on buy, sell immediately. Yeah, not about how you start, but how you finish. Exactly. That's what she said, right? All right. I think this one just wants to go higher. Maybe take out the whole fair value gap. Most likely. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, gold is finding some support. Still feels like it wants to go higher. Chris, what's up? Well, just waiting for the next move. Comics is open, I think. Yeah. Waiting for futures. Looking for Nasdaq to go higher. Took out previous day low, which was actually this Friday low. Looks like it's aiming to go higher. Created an equal high up here. And there's one more fair value gap on the 5-minute up there. Let's see. Also, gold could be going into the 4-hour. Let me just show you. There was a 4-hour swing here. Now the mid-level, actually, just a second. The mid-level of this 4-hour swing, somewhere there. It's not total accurate, it's just, you know, just to show some direction of where we could be going. Okay, so NQ seems like it wants to get back above the midnight level. What are you guys up to? Let me know if there's some good trade opportunities. Still going higher. Tommy me, good morning. I'm long looking for the overnight high to be taken. 1 hour fair value gap has me a little worried. Well, let's see, 1 hour fair value gap. Yeah. But definitely looks bullish, I give you that. So now we just took out those highs. So that's something. I'm still wondering what gold wants to do. Is it gonna pull back deeper down, or wants to take out that level up there? Market maker buy model? Yeah. Persze, hogy az, hát ebből csinálják a profitot, József. Ez a lényegük, nem a olcsó beszállási díj, ez a nagy üzlet. Ez. Hát persze, hogy ebből. Alright. József was just saying that the activation fee is the big deal for the prop firms. That definitely it is. Huge deal of business. Because it's like 99% sure that one will activate the account if passed. So Így van, pontosan. Ez ki van találva, hidd el, ez egy óriási üzlet. Ez egy óriási üzlet. It's a huge business, what I was saying. Huge business for preference, the activation fee. Gives you a little bit extra pressure because, you know, it's more money in, more skin in the game for the trader. Then it's more highly likely that he or she will mess up the trade. And the house wins bigger. And Methodical Man, a man of the hour. The celebrity, Methodical Man. Traditional biggest bullish day of the year per Mancini. What do I think? I have no idea. I have no idea. I wasn't really reading. I mean, I get his emails, but I wasn't really reading too much about it. But if this is going to be a bullish one, well, could be. Could be. Hey, I saw your video series. At least not, maybe not all of it, but you know, you're getting to be like the new Sylvester Stallone or Schwarzenegger or something like that, you know. But hey, gotta say, lots of discipline needed to, you know, count those calories and eat the proper amount of food. Hey, 1 pound is good. Awesome. Man, Methodical Man, I have like so much trouble. I tried to go on a diet a few weeks ago, like 3 weeks ago. No, I couldn't. Yeah, and I know. I mean, I tried it for a few days. I was so hungry. I could eat anything, like anything. You're such a Hungarian. Just set your mind to it. Okay, so like Morpheus says, free your mind. Oh man, I don't know. I have to start again because, you know, 11 pounds, all right. Weight gain, you can do it too. Yeah, I can actually gain some weight. That's easier. Oh, totally forgot to say happy birthday to Gabor. Hey, everybody, push the confetti button there. Happy birthday to Gabor, the Hun. Let me push it here. I can't. Okay, I have to open the chat in the browser. Look at this. I'm pushing the confetti. No, you don't see it. Anyway. Yay. I saw the picture, man. Boldog születésnapot. You know, 59 is the new 39. That's what they say. You know. Very nice rejection, yeah. Remélem jól telt a szülinap. I hope birthday, I can't speak. I hope the birthday went well. Some good food, some party, or whatever, you know. Prasad, hey there. Doing well, doing okay. I'm still waiting for this to go higher a little bit. I started to trade with Funded Next. Look at this. Do you guys see this? I started today and I am up $600 on a Forex prop account, and I'm in a trade. I'm buying Nasdaq. Yeah, I was scalping. You guys see that? I was scalping all over the place. So it's just for fun, you know, just for fun. Look up Redneck Brawl to YouTube. I think I want to sign you up. What? Redneck Brawl? All right, I'm gonna look it up, man. Redneck Brawl. All right. Okay, let's check it. Brawl. What? What is this? Redneck Brawl. What is this? Next event, Oklahoma. Alright, let's watch. Jesus, do you think I can win? Jesus, it looks dangerous. Oh no. This is not my kind of thing to do. I don't think I will. I don't think I will. Oh, I got taken out at break even. No worries. Gotta get down in there. Hey, how about we put you in there? We put you in there. I think you could win it. You could do that. You have the power, like He-Man. I have the power. You're not old. Don't say that. Come on. You can do that. We have futures open, by the way. And no trades so far. What the hell did I just do? Nothing. So, is the new MyFundedFutures starter account is out or what? What is happening? It's still not out. Let me check if the expert account promo is still on or not. Okay, it's still on. So last few minutes or hours to get your 20% off from the expert. Just saying. No way, congratulations. Let me give you an applause. Good job. Finally. I guess the thing that happened is that they checked on your account and they saw that you're a YouTuber. And, you know, that definitely, you know, put everything into the green. So I guess people are right. If you are a YouTuber, you get paid out. That's a good thing. Small time, you better approve. Yeah. Also, someone said, no, wait, this name, Methodical, sounds familiar from the YouTube space. We should pay this guy out. You know, we don't want to mess around with him. You know, we should pay him out. We don't want negative marketing. More. Everybody, let's just make sure Ellen is paid out. All right? All right. So that's what happened, realistically. You followed the rules, all right. Actually, I'm building my funded account too with Apex. I always check twice that I have a stop loss. I did not DCA, so I pretty much followed the rules. One thing happened though, and let me know if you think it's a problem. Sometimes I entered with 5 micros, And then when I started to scalp, I entered with 1 mini, but with a very tight stop and take profit. And it was 1 mini. So switched from 5 micros to 1 mini. So I actually doubled the risk when I was scalping, but I was using a tight stop. And I hope it's not going to be an issue. But I played it to the TP level. So yeah, it was not a huge windfall. I was just going for about $100 or something like that. But that's all I did. But I always use a stop loss, and but I did add one more to some of the trades. So I was I entered, for example, with 2 micros. And it went against me. I added 1 more micro, or I added 2 micros one time, like boom, and that was adding 1 more to the trade. But it only happened like 1 or 2 times. I don't think this should be an issue. Yeah, hopefully not. Just to average out my entry. But man, seems like we're stuck here until market open. It sucks. It sucks to trade with micros. Hey, it's not mandatory to trade with micros. You can go with minis. You can definitely go with minis. Man, I wrote my seventh email to Apex to give me a custom code last week, and no reply. 7 emails to give me my custom code, but nothing. And I see streamers like, anyway, streamers who are just starting out from almost no subscribers, who are having custom code with Apex, and I don't. And I have 7 emails already. That sucks. Don't have too many too. Apex sometimes this is going on. Been seeing lots of people having issues. Yeah, I mean the support, I guess they have a lot of emails. Anyway. Still, the best code for Apex is EBPVUZHX. So we are ranging. This is a very short block on the 5 minute. On the 15 minute, don't really see much else. We took out this high here. I wonder if this one's just gonna go down to 63 to get some more liquidity. That's the thing we don't know. I think it will, to be honest. It looks like it wants to go down into this area to maybe reprice that level before it takes off. I'm scalping on my MyFundedNext account, by the way. I'm short, but it doesn't count. This is just a CFD. Here, this is just NDX 100 CFD, and I might gonna close it with the loss. I have to get prepared, guys, because to have maybe an affiliate, a Forex prop firm too, for supporting me in the journey, because you know, Hungary might get banned from trading futures. I have to get prepared for that too. It's not even a joke. Okay. All right, are we gonna go down into that area or not? Nem tudom, nem feltétlen. Csak találtam egy ilyen hírt az OFAC kapcsán, hogy az OFAC vizsgálja azokat az országokat, ahol na, tehát nem őket említették, csak vizsgálja az OFAC azokat az országokat, ahol a jogállamisági eljárás van folyamatban, és akkor megcsendítették Magyarország nevét, de megkeresem majd a cikket és átküldöm. Ennyi. Ha ez megtörténik, akkor nem tudok future-ökkel kereskedni. Parampam, parampam. Szívesen. Anyway, you're a US citizen, so you're fine. Nem, állampolgárság kell. Állampolgárság. Sajnos. Vagy valaki másnak a nevével kereskedni, de az meg necces. Azt úgy nem. Nem jó. Oké, jó. Vagy angol. Igen. All right, let's see. Let's see. Well, you know, Croatia is on the banned list, Slovenia is on the banned list, and Romania is on the banned list, and they have better political conditions. But, you know, we don't know how these things work. I don't know how these things work. Okay, I just shorted the NDX 100 and made some profit. Okay. All right. Én nem fosok. Akkor megyek vissza CFD-kkel kereskedni. Let's see. Let's see what goes on. What goes on? Look at that. Didn't go into the gap. I assume it will, or should. But still did not take that gap. Ba-dum-bum, ba-dum-bum. Hát szerintem lehet, hogy még csak hónapok múlva. Úgyhogy előre vizsgálják minden évben ezeket az országokat, szóval lehet, hogy csak év végén fognak mondani valamit, nem tudom. Az is lehet, hogy semmi, lehet, ez csak olyan szokásos ellenőrzés, nem tudom. Nem foglalkozok vele. It's going down. Look at that. Gold is going down, but where is it going? Where is it going? Interactive brokers kivonul. Hú. Hát azon nem lepődök meg a... Mármint, hogy nem úgy, hanem az interaktív kivonul több régióból, Európából. Úgy tudom. Nothing is happening. Look at gold. Went up there. Then sharp drop. Almost impossible to read this. There's a swing low down there on gold. I'm not sure how far it can go. All in. Yeah. All right. Could be dropping more, but I'm not chasing it. It was just interesting to see how gold actually dropped. And seems like Nasdaq is climbing back up there to take out those equal highs. I would not take any trade because it did not take out this gap. It didn't go out for those highs, so it has to take one first. Olisha, good morning. How are you? Good to see you on stream. Okay. Still waiting. We are ranging 15-minute gap. Let me write this here. Okay. Does anybody know when do the request payout page gets enabled on Apex? It's first and I don't see one. I think it might be only when you reach above that minimum threshold or minimum withdrawal limit. Or maybe it's gonna be sometime during the New York session because it's the first. You did, okay. So then it could be sometime during the New York session. Maybe after 9:30, 10 a.m. Who knows? Maybe they're updating it manually. That's a good question, actually. I should be updating. Yeah, no problem. And the days, yeah. If you had enough trading days, you have to have at least 10 trading days, I think. So if you don't have the trading days, then it could be. All right, it seems like it might be going back up. But since we have market open not too far, I would be careful. It's going up. Unstoppable. Unfreaking stoppable. Let's see. I'm still scalping the NDX 100. NDX 100. What a name. Look at this. Gold is melting down like an ice cream. Look at this. If we're gonna have something good news, definitely we'll retest. Oh yeah, absolutely. It's actually, it would be super easy for Nasdaq to retest these 20 levels. That would be the London high, so I can definitely see that happening. London high. Oh, yeah. London high. Let's wait for it. But first we have to get to the midnight level. And see what's gonna happen there. There is a fair value gap also. 95. Gold melting. NQ holding. And that's it. Oops. I have a good cologne here. This is a good one. So stay tuned and subscribe. I still have to wait for MyFundedFutures to say that it's a go, but there is going to be a giveaway sponsored by MyFundedFutures. 3 starter accounts are going to be given away. It's not going to come from me as a cash prize. It's going to come from MyFundedFutures. So make sure to have an account to register with MyFundedFutures. You can use my link. There you go. You will win. And I will put on the application, or maybe we can do a raffle in the waffle on the stream. But I have to still wait for MyFundedFutures. But they said they are sponsoring the stream with 3 starter accounts. So I'm very happy that the affiliate partnership reached out, and I wasn't really asking this directly to have 3 accounts, but they said I'm eligible to give away 3 starter accounts. Raffle, not ruffle, raffle. Wait, okay. By the way, yo, okay. Oh yeah, you said it, Gabor. Yeah, I remember. Nice. So I don't know. I mean, I'm just waiting for them to say yes, because let me read what they said on the email. Let's see. Partnerships. Here you go. Thanks. Absolutely. Do blah blah blah. Details. The details. Kick off the launch of the new program. We plan official launch quickly. Once we go live, select 3 50K starter winners and forward me their emails that were used for creation of the MyFundedFutures account. So they are going to activate it on their end to your account. So you have to register. So I have this application for it to do that. So register with the email that you applied for MyFundedFutures with, and that's it. 3 winners are gonna get picked. We're stuck here. Look at that. Gold is also stuck. Nasdaq is stuck in a range. Would be nice to see it go higher, but it seems like we're really stuck here. And if it goes lower, then look at that. I'm gonna go back to the 15-minute gap down there. Damn it. It's interesting. Let's go. Guys, we're stuck in this range. We are stuck in this range. I guess it's better to wait for market open, not to do anything until then. Okay. Let's see. I'm long for the overnight high from 974. Okay, that's not a bad idea, J-Ho. You should be getting to 94 at least. I was actually thinking to hold a trade from somewhere here just to scalp it until 94, but I didn't. I didn't. Should be getting back to this 5-minute gap sooner or later. Let's go. Let's go. Look at that. Almost there. The high of this candle was a 94.25. So the coordinates is 94.25. Almost there. Should be taking it. 94.25. Okay. Hello. Hello again. No, you did not miss anything. Did not miss anything. Boy, it's not doing anything. Just going sideways until the open. And I'm pretty sure that it's gonna stay like this at least for another 25 minutes. So nothing. Seems like gold wants to go down a little bit more. We have a swing low down there. Might want to take it out, but basically that's all. That's all we have. That is all we have. Seems like NQ is also trying to go for the 15-minute gap. Looking at the 1-minute chart as well. Yeah, it looks like that way. But we're still waiting. Before the news, I'm not opening a position. Yeah, we are. I'm also going to wait. You guys stopped out break even. Well, it's still, you know, break even is a win, actually. So actually won. That's a win. Wow, look at this guy. I'm just scalping around on this MyFundedNext account. I'm already up 900 bucks today. I wish everything would be so easy like this. Oh man. But the magic is changing once you get to a funded account. Yeah, but it's a challenge account, so it doesn't count really. And I would definitely be doing it differently on a funded account, and it's a CFD, so you know, if I can make it, and it's a one-step program, so I have to do 10%, so $5,000. So I still need to do $4,000. But you know, if I can make it to the funded account, I would be taking payouts like every $1,000 or so. You know, I don't know. I decided to go cash. No rules. Yeah, definitely. You have to make sure go with the proper brokerage, I guess. Not that I don't know many of them. Many people like MFutures. You can also try interactive brokers, I guess, but Tradeaway is very popular because of prop firms. So, but yeah, absolutely no rules. And I guess you don't really need to open a huge account, so you just open it with like $1,000 or $2,000 and go with micros and just push it. Okay, we got back to the 15-minute gap. 3K, that's more than enough. 3K to start out with and building up, that's more than enough. Spent about 5K, so yeah, that's just be careful. Yeah, I mean, don't go on tilt. That's, I mean, I guess you all you know all of that, but the emotions and the mind works differently on your own personal cash account. I guess you're not putting yourself onto that much risk as before. I mean, position size wise. Oh yeah, yeah. Like, the thing is, last time I had personal cash, I mean money on my account, it was back in 2021 or early 22, somewhere like that. And I put in almost $3,000 as well. It was like 2,800 or something. I lost it in 2 weeks. Unfortunately, I lost it in 2 weeks because I went full tilt. I was starting out good, you know, going small size. Everything was great for a week. And then the second week also started out okay-ish, some break-even days, 1 or 2, and just one day, one single day, one single session was enough to go full tilt, and I wiped out all my account. One single session, boom, everything was gone. Everything. Yeah. That's why the magic works totally different on personal account. Oh yeah, NQ's rule. Most likely better to trade on a personal cash account with ES, with small size. Even if you have a losing day or two, it's not going to hurt that much. But yes, absolutely agree. That is going to hunt you down. Okay, now that we got back into this gap, I'm just wondering. How far this can go down. Up a few hundred by now on my cash account, starting 70. Hey, that's profit. By the way, haven't you thought about going with a forex prop firm instead of personal cash account? I mean, usually these forex prop firms, the big ones, the more trustworthy ones, have static drawdown, so that's pretty much also a good thing to go with, especially with the ones with low spreads. I'm just talking about like FTMO, Funded Next, Fivers, and MyFundedFX. These 4 would be, I think, the big ones. Most likely FTMO and Funded Next, Fivers. I'm not sure. MyFundedFX is good too. I'm saying Funded Next and Fivers is because they are outside the US and the European jurisdiction, so they can operate. And Funded Next is based in Dubai, so nothing is holding them. I think you can't because you're a US citizen, right? I don't know. Funding pips, yes, funding pips. I still don't know how these quote-unquote unregulated prop firms are working with the restrictions. Like Funded Next is in Dubai, and last time I checked, I think they're I don't know if these prop firms are letting US customers in. I think FTMO had to stop with US customers, but I think it's just a question of time. Like FTMO has to do something about the European regulations. They might have to move their registration outside the European Union. And we were talking about this since last year, since my Forex funds went down. 13 more minutes to go. All right. Still waiting. Hey Marcos, how's it going? Any good trades? Let me know. Everybody just waits for the market to open here. Waiting for gold to show its move. I can imagine that gold maybe starts to continue going down. I mean, why not? Evil Morty gonna kick your ass again. Oh yeah, the evil Morty maker. For now, let's just wait. Look at this. On the 5 minute, it's almost, but it's not a bearish breaker. Actually, it's not, sorry. It's not a bearish breaker. The 15 minute is also almost a bearish breaker. Yeah. So this is pretty much bearish sign. Unfortunately, no targets. No targets. Also trying to realize that if I want to do some good scalping, I have to learn how to cut the losses early. Because if I could learn how to cut those losses early in a good time, then that would be a game changer. Smaller losses, even with a negative risk to reward ratio, I could do some good scalping. Marco says taking a short. All right. Let's see. Seems like Apex has some connection issues. Let's go, Marcos. Let's go. Fingers crossed. Yeah, I mean, it looks decent. Actually took out the high. So, yeah. Alright, I'm gonna grab a drink and be right back. Don't worry, I'll be here for the open. Push the like, subscribe, and stay tuned. Be right back. All right, I'm here. We're back. Let's see what's gonna happen. Almost ready. Where's the 1 minute chart? 1 minute and Q. You guys could see it from the first place. How market is gonna open. Let me see. Do I have orders? No, I don't. I'm just gonna wait for it open on range. Yeah, that's what we should do. Less than 2 minutes. Let's go. Almost open. 1 minute to go. All right, 25 seconds. Don't do anything crazy. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Market is open. All right. This is the 1 minute chart. Again, zooming it out. Nothing significant is happening so far. Going down a little bit. Gold spiked down just before the open, and now we don't know what it wants to do. NQ looking lower. Going back to the 5 minute. Go, go, go. Let's see. We still have a 5 minute gap at 94. I have to wait and see. It looks like it's pushing back nicely for now. Let's see how far. Is it? Can it take out this high? I'm wondering. Just wondering. Might not. I don't know. Repriced it. On the 1 minute, it did close higher. Is that going to be enough? for Nasdaq. Not sure. Not sure. 1 minute seems heavy, but the 5 minute is still holding. Hard to tell. Okay. If that's the case, if it wants to go down, almost went down. But what if it wants to go down further? You know. What if it wants to take out these levels down there? At that swing low. Boom, yeah. I would actually like to see this go lower, at least take out this swing low here. But if it doesn't want to, then I guess it's just a waiting game. There's going to be news at 10 a.m. so we might stuck in this range. Yeah. Nice action. Okay, it took it out. There you go. At times like this, I'm sorry I was not in it. Congratulations, Marcus. Let me give you an applause. You called it right. This was a very tricky move. Well, we took out the swing low, so I wonder what's next. I wonder what's next. Look at this immediate reprice. I'm out, but 840 target, right? Well, it could be. Hard to say what this one wants right now. We're stuck in the range actually, still. You have the 4-hour fair value gap down there, and I still don't have a trade that I would take. or that I like. I could actually imagine that this one goes higher. Look at that, now it's going up on the 1 minute. This is the opening range high at 85. Careful. Yeah, could be. Could be. Interesting to see that the 1 minute actually shifted back higher using this 15-minute fair value gap as possible support. That is really interesting. Repriced it now, but below the gap. Does it want to go back higher, or is it just going to continue to fall? Feels like it might want to go lower, right? Yeah. Seems like it. How far can this go? Can this go down to previous day low? I wonder. Maybe not. Maybe it can. Who knows? I scalped a little bit on the funded next account. It wasn't easy. It was tricky. But as far as I've seen the candles printing, seemed logical. Previous day low has been taken out already, so the only place where this one can go down is the 873. Not a perfect structure shift, but it did. The low of this candle was 28. The close of this candle was 28. So technically it fits the criteria. And this one can be a possible short. So could be going lower from here. As soon as this one is closing, we could see a possible continuation for the shorts. 2 seconds, and there you go. So yeah. And if that's the case, then, I mean, who knows? Who knows? Has to go through previous day low, that's for sure. Amazing, yeah. I'm short on my MyFundedFutures challenge account too. So I'm shorting this one. Not MyFundedFutures, come on. Funded Next. This is a Funded Next account, but this is NDX100. So the TP is totally different, but I'm going to manage this manually, most likely. TP. I should take profit. Maybe I will. Oh yeah, I know about the news. Actually, I'm gonna close it with a small loss. It just went against me. Yeah, I closed it with a small loss. Doesn't matter. I'm scalping this. Or who knows? Let's see what happens. Can this one go lower? Guess it can. Just scalping. It wouldn't be a bad thing to make $1,000 per day. Even $500 per day. That would be great. Should have held it. But there's gonna be news, so. And look at gold, wow. No structure shift, this is still bullish. Okay, maybe if it goes down to OTE-ish. Oh man, I should have held this. I think it's gonna go down to that 4-hour gap. It should be. It should go down. I'm not gonna be greedy. 840 target, yeah. I'm not gonna be greedy. I scalped a little bit. I haven't traded on the futures account because there was no entry for me. Actually, the only entry there could have been was let's see, was maybe this on the 50% retracement. But I made $1,000 on the FundedNext account today. That's good. And we're down at the 4-hour gap. Should have just held it. That's what I should have done. Okay, so now we're waiting for news. Applause for everyone who made money. Applause for every of you guys who made some profits. We were eyeballing with this level, with this 4 hours since technically the London session. And finally we got down here. And, you know, the only thing I miss is that I didn't put on a trade on a funded account, but I had no entry on the funded account. I was scalping on the challenge account. No orders, nothing. Where can this go if we go through with this? It can go to 838. 840 is almost there. Look at that. 840, I think it got it, right? 41. Okay, there you go. No. Low is, come on, 840. For Marcos, let's do it. Let's do it. Come on, 840. 41.25 is still a good still a good result, Marcos. One more wick. Just wick through. Just wick through that 40. Come on. Come on, I know you want it. Just wick through that 40 level. Do it. Finally. $74. Oh, 744. 744? Ooh. Okay. Did we get the 840? Not yet, but you know, it's still good. It missed it with 5 ticks. 5 ticks is like, it was like perfect. You're out. There you go. There you go. Everyone is making profits today. I wasn't sure if I should enter or not, but you know. Yeah, but the 840 level, it's I think it's still possible, to be honest. I think it's possible. Why not? I think it could be happening. Absolutely. But if it goes up, it goes up. You know, we can't control the market. $840 can happen. Marcos, do you think so? It can, actually. It's that swing low at, yeah, it's right down there. Almost took it out. It could be having some hard time here, but it has the chance to take it. Marcos, I hope for your sake it's gonna take it out. I like, all right. 1 2 day probably 820. Now you say 824. Oh wow, okay. Let's wait for some kind of a retracement. This market might need some retracement before it goes down. And we have the news in about 5 minutes, so let's wait for it. Oh, look at that. Again, it's going for it. Wait, because it's still early, it may continue to go down. It seems like it wants to. I'm not in anything. I'm still just on the sidelines. I'm curious how this is going to go, but it seems like it wants that 40 for now. It still felt heavy for a second there. I'm also checking gold. Just a little bit, you know. Just for fun. Okay. Nasdaq is holding this level. 733. Okay, let's check the higher time frame. I'm really curious. 33, 733. Okay, I see that. Like that area. Let's check the 4-hour. Okay, even below 700, right? Relative equal lows, just as we were speaking of this, you know, relative equal lows, 730. I like that level. Very much possible. Yeah. Now it's kind of retracing. Gold shifted higher, by the way, on the 5 minutes, so could be good for a long position. If it goes down there, then I would say it's a good level. Take out previous day high. Who knows? Oh yeah. Well, you know, as long as those levels are working, then you know that's all that matters. Let's see. Okay. Nothing is happening so far. Let me know what you guys think. Dollar is falling. Oh, what happened? Was there any news? Oh yeah, it was the news. Totally forgot. Yeah. I was just reading some articles here. So we took out this level. Now it's repricing this area. Good news, time to buy. Let's see. I don't even know the numbers. Expansion. Well, somewhat good news. Well, not the best, but yeah. Look at gold. Ho ho ho! Gold is going up again. Let me delete this. It's not important anymore. Yeah, I mean, I mean, if you look at closer, we have the number above 50, so it's expanding, but not all that good. Now, this is actually a bad number, even worse than before. The ISM manufacturing PMI is even worse, so that's not so good. The prices, I mean, the manufacturing prices got lower, right? Business area. Large prices paid for good services. So this is maybe a little bit better, but otherwise construction spending is not so good. So if you spend more on construction, that's good, but they're spending less on construction, so prices are lower. This is actually not too good news if I look at it correctly, but still, that's why gold is going up. I mean, when there's some bad news coming out, then everybody wants to buy gold, right? But I could be wrong. Yeah. Anyway, yeah. Anyway, yeah. Sorry, I have to fill out something. All right. Gold is going higher. Nothing is stopping it right now. Short on NQ. Okay. Well, I guess it continues short, but let's not forget that nowadays NQ is just not reacting the way it should to the news. Or it usually does. Just waiting. If it's holding 25, could be a good long. Yeah. Hello again now. Yeah, could be. Look at that. It's holding. And it's going down. Seems like Apex keeps losing connection. All right, what's going on here? Are we going back to to the 40, 840? Let's see. It seems like we are. It seems like we are going back for that level. Look at that. Oh, wow. I think we just did. Let's see, the low. Oh, we did. 37, there you go. Marcos, congratulations. Very good job. Good job there. Congrats. Oh, man. That was a good one. That was a real good one. I gotta say, I also profited from that because I scalped a little bit. So I made 90, how much is it? 95 bucks. 94, $95 on the funded account. So I'm happy with that. Oh, let me see. on Discord. Your target. Oh, there it is. This is what you sent me. Jesus, to the... Wow. Nice, Dominic. Guys. You guys are killing it. To the tick, man. I mean, you have the nerves to the tick. Yeah, that was beautiful, man. Congratulations. That was beautiful. I have to go over your messages. Officially, I still did not have any trade. I mean, this could have been one from up there, which I didn't take. I don't know why. Actually, on the 5 minute, actually went there. Oh, damn it. Next sell side could be 800 maybe. OTE level right there. 1 to 2 risk to rewards, 2 standard deviation. It can still go, yeah, 800, guys. It's gonna be 800, I think. It's too low to go short for me, so I guess it is what it is. But I believe it can still go. Down to 800-ish area. Maybe it will retrace some, I don't know. But it was a nice run. It was a nice run. Now it's going back up there. Maybe all the way back up. Oh, great, Dominic. Great. Thank you. Gold is stuck here. NQ seems like trying to reprice. I think it did. It went back into the 4-hour gap. I'm gonna take a new fib tool here. Yeah, there you go. Look at that, it's going back. It's going back. Strong on NQ. It's going back strong. Almost seems like it wants to take out that high. This was a sharp retrace. May want to retest those highs again. I think it wants to. Okay. It's going, and I was scalping this. And what do you know, my funded next account is up to 1,339. With this phase, I can pass the account in a week, I think. I think so. Look at that. And I'm trading this NDX 100. NDX 100. That's good. Thank you, Marcos. Thank you. Yeah, typical Nasdaq. Yeah, have to be very careful on these levels. This is typical Nasdaq. That's for sure. And it's still not finished yet. I think it wants to go and take out the high at 32. But have to be careful. Yes, I agree. Could be some profit taking on this level. This looks bullish, man. Does it really want to take that out or what? Better without trading drawdown. Yeah, less emotions. Definitely, I feel that way less emotions without the trailing drawdown. I can tell that with experience, but you know, if you trade small, trailing drawdown should not affect in your trading. All right, made another 100 on a funded account. Yes, I scalped it, but I did not call it out officially. But I scalped it. It only happens when we have some price action, you know. So made $200 on funded accounts today. I was not copy trading them, but still, I'm happy. Yeah, it was a very good level. Look at that 840. Crazy how it went down. Change your score. I can't change it because I did not call out these trades. So these were just scalp trades. I did not call them out. I was trading it in hindsight, if I might say that. So I can't call it out to the stream stats, unfortunately. But the problem is with the scalps, especially on stream, if I try to call it out, every few seconds counts. Every 1 or 2 seconds could be counting. And by the time I explain what I want to do, the trade already went away. Especially on Nasdaq when it moves so fast. But this was interesting. Let's see. What can we expect? Let's calculate some risk. We are sitting at previous day low, which has already been taken once on gold, so we might be going higher. And Nasdaq actually took out everything down there. I would suggest that looking at the 5-minute here, we could go for those highs at the midnight levels, and we still have the 5-minute gap up there as a good target. Mute on? Oh, I was not talking. I'm sorry. I was just, making some calculations. Let's see. I am waiting on gold too. We're going to put a sell side liquidity marker down there, just in case it wants to go down. I think it does. I'm shorting gold. But it's a scalp trade, so I'm not calling it out officially. Maybe I should close it. I'm still waiting. Maybe I can get something good out of this. Gold is holding. NQ is still holding. If I had to guess, I'd say Nasdaq might want to go back to take those highs. But I can't speak for gold. Let's see. Still looking for Nasdaq. Looks like this one wants to go higher, maybe. Nasdaq, that is. NQ making new highs. Are we going to reach that 5-minute gap? I don't know. Don't really want to give back too much profit to the market after this. I don't know what's going on, but we could be in a consolidation. Actually chopping ourselves back up again. If that's the case, well, we'll see. If that's the case, then this one, after sweeping this, could go down below maybe even 900. We have a gap down there. Gotta be careful. Gold is slowly getting lower. Not all that strong, but still going. NQ could be making some lows, I don't know. Hard to tell. Yeah, it's taking out those lows. Should have just took a long there, but I didn't. And now on the 5-minute, it could be just sweeping some liquidity. Yeah, it did. Should go up. Might be. Yeah, might be. But if it goes up, the only reasonable target would be up there at 95. And that's a lot to go. Even if I look at the 1-minute here, we got back to this range, this consolidation, and I don't know. It looks like it took out everything down there. Sorry. Looks like it took out everything down there. Next move could be pushing it higher. Same with gold. Yeah, maybe in a few hours, but as for now, look at that. Wow. Okay. But if it wants to continue lower, I have no idea for the next possible target here. Gold dropped a little bit. Spiked down. Could be bouncing up there again. And NQ actually started to go higher. How about that? NQ might have to fight for every inch to take out that high up there above the VWAP. To go back above the Asia lows maybe. Let's see, is it gonna pop that high or not? I think it just did. Finally catching a New York session. Well, you didn't miss all that much actually. I was just waiting patiently for an entry, but I really couldn't go on with anything here. I'm just trying to scalp on this funded next account, but so far it's getting a little bit difficult because we're ranging in this area. I had my trust in gold, but it's not working the way it should. And now NQ. You know, if you zoom it out on the 1 minute NQ, you see this double bottom here with no wicks. That's almost like a target there. That really is almost like a target to take out that level, you know. I mean, it's not usually works like that, but you know. Like this movement. Yeah, it could be. As I said, this here could be interesting with no wicks, but that doesn't mean it can't spike all the way up. So if it's losing steam, it can definitely go way, way, way up. At least we have some volume in the market. That is something. Okay. Went higher. Is it going to take up though? I mean, take out those highs? Just curious. Pretty much ranging here. That's why I was wondering if that is a level that it wants to take out lower as part of a sell-off scenario. Gold is stuck. It's not doing anything. It's not dropping. I wanted to see a drop here. Down there. But it's not. It's not doing it yet. Maybe now. Those lows on the 1 minute are in danger, I think. But first might gonna spike higher. Crypto Panda, good morning. I'm gonna take a loss today. You're short NQ? I'm short NQ too, but only on the Funded Next account. I lost a little bit earlier on the scalp. I did not take a trade on Quant Tower, only on this not Funded Next account, but it's gonna take me. It's already at break even, so I'm not gonna lose anything on this. And I took partial, so I don't really care. But I made yeah, it took me out. I made $1,282 today. This is a brand new account. So well, thank you, but price action pretty much just, you know, dried out or drying up. Drying up is what it is. By the way, if you haven't already, please push the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'm waiting for the go to from MyFundedFutures to do giveaways. Maybe it's not going to be today. Maybe we'll have to reschedule it tomorrow. 3 starter accounts are going to be given away from MyFundedFutures, so stay tuned. And if you would like to support the channel, please use any of my codes and links. That really helps me out being here full time. Buleanox went down to 83%. It's still good. It's a very good deal to go with. Go check him out. The 20% off from MyFundedFutures expert account is still on, so go check that out too. So yeah, look at that. Now it's gonna take it. I'm not jumping back into this one. Yeah, it's taking it out. 890. A healthy 10 points in this trade. Anyone wants to go for it? Now's the chance. Hey, Chow Thang. I'm not using MT4. I'm trading on the futures. I just testing my funded next, how I can trade with NFTs. It's MT5 by the way, but so this is a funded next account, and I'm trading NDX 100 just to see the spread and everything. But today I'm up 1,282, but I have to make 10% profit, so $5,000 is the goal. But yeah, it's a one-step challenge, by the way. So not two-step, it's a one-step challenge. And then it's funded. So just testing, you know. I already made trades on my Quant Tower accounts, on the funded accounts, so that was all. Nothing special. Gold is still down there. We took out this low. Should have jumped in here, and you know, we've taken that. Now it's repricing that level, and I still like this low here. The bodies of the candles equal. And if we go to the 1 hour, it's like a big doji candle. Indecision in the market, pretty much. Kill zone is getting over, so be careful, everyone. Oh, thank you, Chow. Thank you. So I'm waiting for MyFundedFutures to announce the new starter accounts, because then there's going to be a giveaway, you know, guys. So I'm looking for that. Anyway, guys, you know, I love you all. Everybody is great. Everybody's super awesome. But I think I'm going to call it here, because kill zone is over. Unfortunately, I don't have any trades. I only took one trade officially on stream today. I missed my entry on the Nasdaq, which was up here, and I got a little bit frustrated about that. Otherwise, I scalped on the funded next account. It was good. Sorry if I was a little bit boring today, but it is what it is. Sometimes it happens. So tomorrow I'll be back in the London session. I think it was still a great day. I enjoyed it very much, and you guys are awesome. Really, it really means a lot for your support and being here with me on the chat. So next time we'll do better. All right. So thanks for everything, and you guys are great. So see you guys tomorrow in the London session. Be safe and don't overtrade. All right. Love you all. Cheers, everybody.